Hi, in this lesson I'm gonna show you how you can add some styles to your HTML elements, and it's like a small introduction to CSS. So to add a style to its HTML element, we gotta use style attribute within the HTML tag, and this way called inline CSS. So it's one of the CSS ways. CSS has three ways: inline CSS, internal CSS, and external CSS. So we have here some elements. We have two paragraphs, an ordered list, and finally a link. So let we add some styles for each one of them. For the first one, let we add a background color and make it in the center of the page. So style attribute, and the first one is background color. Let me make it black, and then semicolon to add the second style, which is color, and make it gold. Nice. Now just remain to make it in the center. So we gotta use text align and make it center. Now let we add some styles for the second paragraph. So let we add the same style, background and color, but let me change the color to be white and the background color to be gray. Nice. But let we add two new styles. I will use margin to shift it to the right, and I will make padding to make kinda the width of the background bigger. Semicolon, and then make padding. This means it will make padding right and top and right and left. So we'll make it 5 pixels. Let me see the style. Nice. So it will make padding for the word from the right 5 pixels, and but there is nothing in the right, and it will make 5 pixels from the left, and you see this, and it will make 5 pixels from the top and from the bottom. Let me increase it so you can notice it. Nice. And let me make margin, but this time let me specify the margin. I will make margin left, so I want to shift it to the right. So margin left means that it will make space from the left of the element. So margin left and make it 100 pixels. Nice. So you see now that the whole element shifted to the right. And let me give it a width. So width, and let me make it 250 pixels. I have to make it smaller than this, so let me make it 150. Nice, that's perfect. So for this element we added background color, padding from left and top and right and left. So we didn't specify a specific position, but for margin we specified to make it margin left. So we want to shift it to the right. So make a space before the element from the left. Let we now add some styles for the list. So I want to remove those bullets. So style, and to remove it we will use list style type. So list style type and make it none. Now I want to display the list horizontally. So for each one of the list items, I will add a style float left. So let me see what this style do. This style make the next element display in the right of the item or the element. So now we make float left for HTML. So the second item or the next item is CSS. So HTML will be in the left of CSS. And let me make float left for CSS. Nice. So JavaScript will be in the right of CSS. And let me make for JavaScript. Nice. So C# will be in the right of JavaScript. And if we make float left for C#, the link will be in the right of the C# item. So we don't need this. And then let me make some spaces between the items. So let me add margin left and let me make it just 10 pixels. Nice. But you see now that C# and JavaScript are connected and there is no space between them. And if I added margin left for C#, nothing will happen. So to make a space between JavaScript and C#, let we add another style for JavaScript element, margin right. And make it 10 pixels. But here is right. Nice. So now there is a space between each element. Finally, let we add some styles for the link. So here, style. And the first style is to remove the line under the link. So text decoration and make it none. Nice. Now let we add a background and change the color. So just let we take a copy from here. Now let me change this black and make it yellow. And then the color, let me make it green. And then let we add a border. So border 2 pixels. This is the thickness of the border, and then solid, which is the type, and finally the color. So let me make it green. Nice. So here is the border, and let we add border radius to round the corners of the border. So let me make it 15 pixels. I think if we make it just 5 pixels, it will be better. Nice. So here is the link. It's better than before. Before it's just a line under a word. But here it's kinda like a button. And we can add padding, so it will be better. If we add finally padding, just 5 pixels. Nice. So those are some styles that might be a good introduction for you to CSS. And when you start learning CSS, you will learn more styles. You will learn static styles like this, just background color and color, or according to a link. You can hover the link and change the color and the background color. And when you click the link, the color will be changed, and so on. Finally, just before we end, let we add a color or background color for the body. Yeah, we can add style for the body. So style, make background color. So let we make it light gray. So here is a background color for the whole page. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you next time.